Hello, folks. Oh, another thing. If you like the video, like and subscribe so get my numbers up. Anyway, cabinet assembly 102 part 2. These are the pieces, as you can see. Got those pieces there. Whew, muffins, yeah. These pieces right here, right there. Those gotta be the bolts and everything in this box right here. Hardware, yep, that's what it says, hardware. And then you got numbered pieces here. And you got stacks here, and we always look at the instruction manual. We don't just put it together and then all of a sudden we have a billion screws left over. What are these for? And it falls apart. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna get done with this or get halfway through and we'll video again.